Hi guys, so an earthquake just recently hit your area and thankfully the shaking has stopped. What are you gonna do? Well, we are going to show you what to do after an earthquake. There are many important things to do after an earthquake to ensure the safety of your loved ones and the community. First one is that you must exit the building you are in immediately and proceed to an open spot. This will put you in less risk of falling debris.
Next, you have to check your family members and your important belongings. Make sure your loved ones are not injured and for you to have all your essentials.
Are you guys okay?
Yes, we are.
Good, how about you? I'm good too. Nice and nice. Oh, safe.
Help me! Help!
Water bottle. Clothing. Preparedness. Batteries. Flashlight. Radio.
Next, you'll have to move to an area where there is less risk of falling debris and with easy access to authorities and help.
Should be a good place.
Yeah, we are close to help when we need it.
And we're away from risk. Nice. Visit us for a while.
Next, you will have to stay there until further notice. You and your family should be aware of aftershocks.
Guys, remember that aftershocks are possible. Yes, thank you for reminding us.
Remember to stay calm whenever there are aftershocks. Just do duck, cover, and hold.
Yep, you're right.
Lastly, you will have to stay updated on the local news via radio. Be sure to also listen to authorities.
The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology has issued an emergency action termination. All warnings from the previous earthquake have been lifted. It is now safe to return to your homes. You will be guided by authorities. Make sure to have your essentials with you. Be careful on the roads. Some parts may collapse. Check all parts of your house and call technicians to repair the damages. We thank you for your continued cooperation. May God bless us all.
Oh no, we're safe to go now.
Yeah, let's go.
I check all our things. We're good. Let's be careful so you never know what we have to go through.
I'll help you guys navigate it. Let's go.
And those are all the things to do after an earthquake. Remember to stay safe, be careful, and remain calm. That's all from Group 3. I am Wakeen Abesamis signing out.